You know what time it is?
It's grilling time.
That's right, but we're not grilling hot dogs and hamburgers. We're grilling pizza.
Yeah, and not just any pizza. Pulled pork pizza.
Pulled pork with homemade barbecue sauce and ooey gooey melted cheese.
Oh, and you gotta save a little extra barbecue sauce for dipping purposes.
Oh my stars, you guys are so excited. We're outside. Yay! So I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My pork pulling loon.
Actually, I'm a super hot Loon.
You are hot.
You can
you
see
mean
our,
you're hot, you're
our
sweaty.
dedication to,
I know, we love
to
it.
grilling.
It's us, a few dogs, and 9,000 flies out here for you. So hope you're enjoying it. We are going to make the most epic pizza of all time.
It's so good,
first of all, we're going to talk about these other components in a moment, but I'm going to get this going on my grill.
Wonderful.
So I've got the grill nice and hot, and I'm using my pizza stone to do this. So all I did, I've got a recipe for semolina pizza dough.
Yes, I love it.
You can use store-bought pizza dough. Don't use the canned. Now they have like the really nice fresh pizza dough that you can get. Or what my favorite thing to do, find a pizza joint or an Italian restaurant that will sell their pizza dough. And, and it's so easy. All of this can be super easy. So I just roll it out to about, a large pizza, which is about
a little over
12 inches. About 12 inches.
13.
12 inches. And then I fold it over, and then I've got my pizza paddle here, and I put a little cornmeal on there. It's going to help you kind of slide it off there right there.
Perfect.
If you don't have a pizza wheel, you can use the back of a baking sheet or a cookie sheet. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this.
Let's put it on there.
We're going to go ahead. We've got our.
Oh, look at that.
We've got this.
That's hot.
Heat cranked up. Yeah, I know. We're standing by a hot stove. Okay, go ahead and close that.
It's 100 degrees out, and we're standing in front of a hot grill.
That's what we did. We love it. We love it. Love it. Okay, so that's only going to go for like a couple minutes. So while that's cooking, let's just talk about these beautiful components. Of course, first, it's pulled pork. So I
want to eat that right now.
I know. Wesley gets really excited when I actually smoke this in my smoker. He loves to get the bear claws and just start to pull those things apart.
We do.
I have a recipe for slow cooker pulled pork, which is out of this world. Again, you can go to your local barbecue joint and get some pulled pork. This is a pound of pulled pork that we are going to put on that pizza. And then we've got this beautiful cheese that's out here melting, but that's okay.
That's all right.
I've got
it's going to get a little more melted.
I'm doing a combination of mozzarella and Gruyere.
Oh, y'all!
Amazing.
The pulled pork it's
a great combination. You could do all mozzarella or all Gruyere, whatever you want to do. And then I've got some little red onion that's going to mellow in flavor as it cooks. And then I've got my homemade barbecue sauce.
This barbecue sauce
is to die for. It's super easy, and I'm giving you the recipe in the description. But again, you can use your favorite barbecue sauce if you want. Okay.
Wow. My hair looks really white in the sun.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, it's the sun that's white.
How's this going?
I think it's good. So that's good.
Oh, look at that.
So you see, it just starts to cook a little bit.
Oh, perfect. You can flip it.
That's nice. Then it gets to the point where you can flip it over. Now I was gonna say while we were talking that you can also do this directly on the grill if you want.
Sorry.
You don't need it. Here, I'm gonna just start ladling this out. Okay. You don't have to put it on a pizza stone. I just love it on the pizza stone just because it cooks it very evenly and
spread that all over.
Great. So this is about a cup of barbecue sauce. I have a dog right here waiting for barbecue sauce to dry. It's the way we live our lives.
I love it. All right.
I wish
Can
you
I
guys
put on the pulled pork?
Yes, please do.
All right. You can help me with this.
I will.
All right. I'm just
so we are building the pizza right before you.
Yay. I'm going to liberally do this.
When you're doing this, you're like, wow, that seems like a lot of pulled pork.
And plus, you want to do it quick because this is hot.
I know.
Hot. There we go.
You don't have to be dainty or fancy about it. Just
wow. There you go.
That's a pulled pork pizza. Okay, now we're going to we want to do our onions next.
Yeah, a little onion.
Do as little or as much as you like. I like just, a good little helping of it.
Okay, and I've got the mozzarella.
Oh.
Or I don't know if this is a mozzarella.
That actually, I believe, is the Gruyere. I don't know.
Look at that.
This is gourmet, fabulous, but country style pizza.
Wow. How much cheese should I put on?
Let's do it all. Okay. This is about, I'd say 2 to 3 ounces of shredded cheese of each. Okay. Now, and it comes together so quickly. That's what's so great about it. Now we're just going to close this and let it go for just, 3, 4, 5 minutes, just till the cheese melts and it's ready to slice it up and eat. Oh, be sure to save some barbecue sauce, like Wesley said. It's really good for dunking. It's pizza time! Yay. Just like that. Okay.
We're like squished back here.
Wow. That's a work of art.
Unbelievable.
I know, unbelievable.
Don't drop it.
I know, that would be awful. I know. Okay,
You got it?
Yeah,
There you go.
I'm being awfully brave in doing this. But I'm just
Here, I'm
bringing
gonna turn this off.
Look at that. So that went about 4 minutes. You see how it's bubbling? The cheese is nice and kind of lightly browned on top. Now, I think it's pretty, that's beautiful. I mean, I feel
I
like
can't even.
we're at like a gourmet pizza shop right here back in the old
Oh, I love eating
Loon Wheel.
pizza in 100 degrees. That's a song, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
All right, I'm cutting this.
Yeah.
Wow. Listen to that crust.
I know.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh. Every piece of this, the barbecue sauce, the pulled pork, the pizza dough, that cheese.
Oh, wow, Chris. I just.
You took
had
a little sneak peek, a little sneak peek. Okay. Are we doing really big?
Here, I'm just going to do this one for us here.
Okay, okay.
All right. Here we go.
I served this for family gatherings, and everyone was like, "Are you kidding me?"
Okay. Y'all, here it goes. Ow. Oh, that is hot, Chris.
Yeah, I know. Okay, guys, we're gonna wait 2 seconds to let this cool off, and then we're gonna eat it.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you so much. We were like,
We just needed
"It's too hot."
that's too hot. Y'all, look at that. Oh my.
Wow.
Wow.
This is a showstopper.
All right, hold on, Chris.
I'm so excited. I'm so
I
excited.
need a little barbecue.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna do a little dip too. You already bit into yours.
Oh. I will stand on the surface of the sun to eat this
No.
pizza.
You guys, it
I'm
is
sorry.
legendary.
That's like, oh, thank you. Thank you. That is, should I say it, like 100,000% Loon approved. So silly. It is.
We haven't had many of those. That's how good this pizza is. And I'm telling you, I told you all that you can get your favorite of everything, and it comes together so fast. You guys,
Wow.
pizza on the grill is the way to go.
Let's go get an air conditioner.
Let's do it. We love you guys. Bye, everybody.